Okay, welcome to the Mantry test kitchen. I'm going to show you a quick little tip. So, I'm making easy weeknight dinner. I've got some olive oil sauteing here, some garlic, shredded garlic, a tiny bit of chili, and then what I like to do is I throw in just regular old white bread. This is actually whole grain bread. And I just kind of let that toast in the olive oil well the pasta oil. So what's going to happen is that's going to get all nice and crispy, and that's going to act as kind of a breadcrumb thing for what I do. Because with food, you want a little texture goes a long way, right? The difference between just having regular pasta with a simple sauce, and the difference between having that and something crunchy over the top, so that can be either crunchy breadcrumbs, or another thing I like to add, which is not Italian at all, but does the same thing, are these deep fried red onions, right? This is actually a Thai product, right? But if you want something crunchy, you can also add a little bit of like pork rind, like crumbled pork rind. You can add something as simple as nuts, right? Like a lot of people don't think, like throw little cashews over top of your simplified pasta, right? So that's tonight's tip. Just think about texture, and don't be afraid to throw something crunchy, anything crunchy, even if it's not Italian, over the top. And one more thing to add, we got a little bit of bourbon smoked citrus pepper from Bourbon Barrel Foods. And that is going to add a nice little smokiness if you throw it in the olive a bit early. You can see this getting toasty. But this product is awesome. These guys use Bourbon Barrel staves to smoke different products, and their pepper, you're going to get a little spiciness from the pepper, but you also can get that nice smoky aromatic feeling. So think about it, you got a little garlicky, crispy, smoky, throw a little cheese over the top, good to go. So I'll put the link below on where to get this citrus pepper, because it is actually amazing. So here's what you're left with. You got this beautiful little bowl of pasta with your crispy bits on top. Let's throw on only the finest, the best. You got to use powdered cheese because it's better. Sometimes for weeknight pasta, that's the way to go. Let's go figure out what we got here. But I am going to go with, see what I said, you can break rules? Look at this. Sichuan chili crisp. Okay, this is from Jing. It's actually a Sichuan Nike product, but let me tell you, you throw a bit of that action over the top, gives it a little fragrance, a little good old-fashioned bite. That is a good weeknight meal that I made in about 5 seconds. So until next time, we'll come up with another tip.